Hey guys, if this is your first time here, this is Moments with Mo. Today, I am making all vegan, plant-based, 100% organic, everything, stuffed peppers. I'm doing a 10-day challenge cleanse. Me and my mother just did our second Unleash the Power event with Tony Robbins. If you don't know, woo! Yes, you ain't had to worry about that. I wasn't going to get you, baby. She said, don't show me, don't show me. But so the 10-day challenge is to eliminate all meat for 10 days, all sugars, processed foods, vinegar, was it saturated fats? But I'm gonna put the list up. So you guys can see. This is day one. I ate veggies, a salad for breakfast. But I feel good though. Like I already been acclimating myself and been on my little journey prior to this. So I'm gonna get into the video and show you guys what's going on. I hope you like and enjoy. If this is your first time here, but please like, share, and subscribe. It's totally free and it helps me out tremendously. If you enjoy my content, see more videos, and want to see more videos with Mo, the one and only, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I already prepped, cleaned, and washed, and cut the peppers in half. Over here is a corn stovetop grilled black bean, onion, garlic, cilantro mix, and this is, it looks like rice, but it's actually, boom, okay? It is made from chickpeas, lentil. I got a little bit plus rice, okay? But very, very, very healthy alternative if you're looking to get, more protein out of your carb or, carb substitute. But yes, right guys, come through. So we're gonna mix all this in. We got our seasonings. I'm gonna add my seasonings in, and we're gonna stuff these babies. And we got vegan shredded cheese that we're gonna mix in and put on top. And yeah. Y'all hear her over here hunting for the mixture, but don't want to be a team. You come over here, I'll put you in the camera. Crickets, y'all, crickets. So we just adding the vegan cheese. I have dealt with this brand before. This is my first time ever trying this brand. So we'll see. And we're just gonna mix it in though, fold it in. Y'all, look at this. Look at
Milo, I'm about
this.
to be like you, willing to risk it all.
No, y'all, do y'all hear this? Y'all hear this? Okay, guys, as an extra bonus, we added some avocado to just give us, cooking is fun. Cooking, this is new. We're innovators over here, right, Ma?
Hell yeah.
So, we need to get our good fats, and avocados are very good and the good fats that we need. So we're just going to mix it in and add it into this and, see how it do. We were both blessed with the hand, so the food comes out good, but I would say in cooking, season your food and just play around with it. Tell me y'all not like. And the cheese, it don't look like it now, but it's gonna get all gooey and melty along with the avocado that's gonna make it creamy. Oh, let's get it in these peppers, y'all. Okay, guys, now we have finished product. Look at these. Delicious stuffed vegan peppers. I feel like this one got my name. Vegan cheese that melts. It does the job. It does the job. This is my first time ever making vegan stuffed peppers, so I have got feedback that people actually like seeing me taste the food. So here's to the first bite. I'm gonna burn myself, y'all. I don't want to burn myself. I'm trying to cool it down. I'm not burning myself. I'm not burning my mouth, y'all. I love y'all, but
sensational.
y'all, wow. Wow. This is so good. It is so nice and creamy. The flavors all come together. This right here, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I'm a 10 out of 10, 10, 10, 10. Ain't no need to pretend. I'm a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And to be completely plant-based, I am super impressed. Okay, y'all. I gotta finish this. If you try this, let me know. Leave your thoughts about it in the comments. If you have any suggestions of what I could add or do different, please leave, again, your suggestions in the comments. I read them all. I am sending you guys love. I'm sending you guys wealth, prosperity, health, abundance. It's yours already. Go and make yourself a delicious plant-based meal. This 10 out of 10. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Until next time.